Now we are going to continue. We are going to continue in the sense already we have done something long back. Okay, very long back. We don't know what happened also. Very good. Therefore, what we did earlier, inverse trigonometric functions. Full chapter is there. What they are removing just graphical solution. Then that is not a big issue. It will not give any impression that chapter reducing, deleting, rejecting or anything. That means almost all we have to do. So the chapter is finished. Now we are going to start very powerful and most important life in all examinations is called calculus. This calculus that I am doing for coaching level, entrance level. This is called ENT. Okay, ENT, entrance. For what it is? CET, NEET, mains. NEET, why you are unnecessary time wasting? All NEET students should attend maths CET. Okay, so that you will be very comfortable and perfect for improvement of speed, mental ability, logical thinking, 50% of physics, 25% of chemistry. Easy. Therefore, you have to attend CET maths. Now, in that connection, once we have done this chapter, after some gap theory I want to do, therefore we are waiting. As for theory concerned in calculus, what are the chapters in the beginning you have to do? As per calculus I am asking, not for second year or first year. Limits, continuity, differentiation, applications of differentiation, indefinite integral, definite integral, applications of definite integral means areas. Using entire integral calculus, then at the end we have differential equations. See this chain, nowhere you can break. I want to break means you break it, I cannot help you. Huh? Best fellow. Nobody can break this. Continuation. In this way, one chapter if you finish, immediately coaching level. Once coaching level classes we will finish level 1, level 2 from the material. One exam you write. Okay? Already you have started doing matrices, determinants, relations, functions. Next you will do inverse trigonometry also, CET we did, then you write to exam. And then next time we will start calculus. Here, already limits is actually for calculus which is in first year. What we did first year over. Okay? We didn't do also, okay, no problem, happy. But from here, it is your second year syllabus start. Second year PUC starts from this. That is the reason from here we are going for coaching. Already you would completed continuity suppose. Now I am giving objective level some problems. It is very smallest chapter. But it will give you links for this chapter. Here, we need here. That is why I will do separately continuity objective level problems related for coaching. Okay? After finishing this, you write one exam. After that I will start differentiation. By the time theory will be over, we start coaching. Like this it will continue. Story over. Now we are going to start the chapter. A small chapter. In throughout chapter, the smallest chapter is only continuity. Continuity chapter is very small. Okay, means continuous functions. Here then, when a function is given to you, okay, function, what is meaning? Y is equal to f of x is a function. As you know already, relations functions. Immediately we will find out what is their domain. That also you know how to find domain and range. And how we can also decide one function, anti function, all the details you have idea. In the same way, here also, I will start with a function is given to you. How you decide it is continuous function or it is not continuous function. Not continuous means discontinuous. Hence, when a function is in hand, we have decision making continuous, not continuous, discontinuous. As for objective level question is concerned, you have a problem when you read, definitely in this one. Okay, multiple choice, anyway you have options A, B, C, D. You have to decide answer this one or this one. Then you must be ready with the concept, basics, that now I am giving you. Consider first point, let y is equal to f of x be a given function. Then understood that you know the domain. You know the domain. How you know domain? How to find domain? Already you got discussed in the chapter. How to find domain also you know that. For example, I write here y is equal to x plus 2. What is domain of this? Means where it is failed, where it is not failed means it is used defined. Domain means defined. Defined for all real values. Then what is domain? R. That is the way you know how to find domain. Suppose if I write the same type where it is defined or where it is not defined. If you notice that so-called domain. Now you will see this denominator must be non-zero. That means where it is not defined, when x is equal to -2, then function is not defined. Then except -2, no objection only. Everywhere it is possible to get values. What is the reason? How you will write set notation domain? All the real numbers, but not -2. This procedure is called domain of the given function. Like that, a given function f of x, you know what is their domain. In that domain, I will select one real number a, except this -2a. Let a is any element belongs to the domain means what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, -1, -3, but not -2. Like that. Now I will write let a be any real number in the domain of f of x. That is the reason why we are writing this sentence. This you have to write in PUC also. In exam also definition, if they ask define continuity of a given function. Theory exam. When I do CET as well as you will get revision for PUC. So a is any real number in the domain, meaning that only. A means x equal to a. When x equal to a in the corresponding domain. Now, if when x equal to a is in the domain, f of a is possible. Suppose a value I am giving 1. Then what is f of a means substitute 1 here. 1 by 1 plus 2 which is there in our domain. This is called f of 1. F of a means f of 1. In the domain means f of a exists. Okay, I will write here. That is f of a exists. How you say exists? Because it is finite. In brackets, finite only we say exists. When you know the finite number only, you can show on the real line existing. If it is infinity, nobody can show you on the real line. Does not exist. Exists, finite. That is the reason and the meaning of a is in the domain. Immediately f of a is possible. If limit extends tends to a f of x. We are finding. Okay. How you are finding? Already we know some basics in limits chapter first year. If you don't know that first year limits, again you do revision in the objective level questions in the material. There are so many problems in this. Many problems are there in the limits. Okay. Right? Level 1 just practice them. That is enough. Level 1. Limits to get again revision to you means. Right? Limit extends to a f of x. You are finding. If I told condition, what is that? If this limit is equal to f of a, then if then conditional statements reasoning if they are equal, then f of x is continuous. Where at a, for all a it is true, then we say f of x is continuous. If this is true for every x, like that. So, what is our continuity definition? A is any real number in the domain of the function, means x equal to a at that point, at one point only you are discussing one number in the domain. F of a you know very well. You find the limit at that point, you get that answer is same as this answer. You say it is continuous, not same, not equal. Discontinuity. Okay. Now I will tell you where it is discontinuous. Otherwise what is meaning? Not equal. Okay. Otherwise fx is said to be discontinuous. What is that meaning? Now we will see what are the failures, possibilities. How to say, or when we say a function is discontinuous. Okay, now you see here. First, limit extends to a f of x not equal to f of a. Immediate decision, easy to verify. Because you find limit, they will give you f a, immediately you decide not equal over. Not like this. When we say limit exists, first of all, left hand limit, right hand limit, we know already for special functions particularly it happens, and also breakup in the domain it happens. Now I am writing limit extends to a minus. What is this called? Left limit. Not equal to right limit. What is this called? Right limit. They are not equal. When they are not equal, therefore what we say here? Limit does not exist. When limit only not there, there is no need to ask for continuity. Because limit not there. This is also failure only. Okay. First failure, immediate decision. Second failure, left exists, right exists, but not equal. Right? Does not exist. Therefore, fx is discontinuous. Third possibility. Either left limit or right limit is at infinity. See, this is also a very exclusive case, special, very rare to get. One of the limits will go to infinity. What is meaning? Infinite limit. Limit at infinity. If one of them is at infinity, there is no question of equality. Not possible. No, sir, left to infinity, right to infinity, infinity equal to infinity. No. Okay? You are not special, therefore this is not special. Okay? Hence, you will remember that one of the sides will go for infinity. Immediately failure. These are all chances I am telling you one by one. Decision making for objective questions. to see that the function is discontinuous. Step by step. Not equal, over. Both are not equal, over. One of them infinity, over. Failures, easy to trace out in ABCD. No, last chance. They are equal. If f of a is at infinity, very happy. Some or other way, one of them going to infinity. That means either left limit or right limit or f of a is at infinity, we are happy. Failure only. Called discontinuity. These are the chances. One by one priority you have to check in the questions when you read it for discontinuity. This is the priority. First one easy to decide. Last one also easy to decide f of a. Generally last one I gave you reason in the questions, they will give you f of a, finite only. They will not give you infinity nowhere. Break up domain particularly. They will give you f of a. You have to depend on these 1, 2, 3. That is the reason I gave you all the fail where it is possible for failure. This is about discontinuity. Okay? So what you do is, I just gave you continuity definition and the discontinuity chances for a given function. Next class I will start doing remaining properties and then some more observations and then examples and then I will start problems. Next class every veg fellow must be ready with the material. Level 1 I will start. I will write the one by one questions here only. I will solve it. Okay? Need not to worry. So next level you will receive the material later. Okay? Right.